Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing about a managed service, a serverless deployment that is present in GCP. And as every time when we discuss about any deployment approach, we always compare the deployment strategy in Azure, in AWS, and in GCP, as these are the three major cloud providers. Those are providing solution of different types in terms of deployment. So today we will be discussing about a serverless deployment, and in GCP it is called Google App Engine. In Azure it is called App Service, and in AWS it is called Elastic Beanstalk. So all these three services that we are talking, these come under platform as a service. So we have three types of services: infra as a service, in which we set up all the infra, like setting up a VM, number of vCPUs, then RAM, then public IP, storage, everything is being set up, then installation of relevant softwares, and after that the actual code. In case of platform as a service, first of all the VMs and everything is already set up. Apart from that, the softwares, the relevant software, if it is Java, .NET, Python, those are all set up. Now the responsibility of the developer or the deployment engineer is to just deploy the code by selecting the actual deployment platform. So in Google App Engine, all the deployment that we do is using the Cloud Shell. So again, Cloud Shell is an integrated solution that is provided for each and every service that we're using in GCP. So App Engine is basically platform as a service, and today it provides solution for each and every language, whether it is Node, React, we have Java, we have PHP, we have ASP.NET Core. So everything is being provided, and the thing is, like, you just need to set up your app engine. You just need to select what type of services you want, and then once this service is set up, you upload your code. You just need to, there is a file called app.yml. So in this you just need to mention which version of the software, which version of the programming language, which version of the framework you have used, and that, based upon that, all the compilation, all the deployment, all the build part will be done. Application in App Engine runs across multiple servers. Again, since it is a serverless technology, so we are not bothered about how many servers to procure, how to start the server, how to remove a server. So all those things are done in back end. And apart from that, scale up, scale down based upon the traffic, this is also being handled by the platform itself, because it's a platform as a service. And if I talk about the other service, App Engine makes deployment, maintenance, scalability easy, so that user may focus only on the code, only on the logic, and only on the optimization part. Then automatic load balancing is there. So again, here we are not going to create any load balancer. We are not going to set up any load balancer. It is automatically set up, and based upon the traffic, this load balancer either scales up or scales down. Then we have support several programming language that we just did, and it is very much suitable for all type of web application. Now if you want to deploy any of the web application or any REST API, you just need to create a project. Once the project is created, since it is a serverless approach, you need to go to the serverless category. You need to select the app engine, create a service. You have this Google Cloud G Cloud shells. Either you can install it on your machine, or it is integrated with every service. You just click on that. There is an option within this Google Cloud shell. You can upload the zip file that contains full code. Once it is uploaded, again it is all done using Google Cloud Shell. Once this file is uploaded, simple, there is a command called gcloud app deploy, and once you, so this is a magical command. The moment you write this command in your integrated Google Cloud Shell, again that is directly integrated, and again it is a cloud service, so you don't need to install anything. It is already integrated, all the different commands you can use, and again once app service is created, you just need to give this command app deploy, and once this gcloud app deploy command is provided, your Node.js, Python, because again whenever we are talking about any REST API, it works on a particular port. So we need to implement, if you are going to implement manually, we need to implement this reverse proxy so that we don't have that port number there. In this case, we don't need to implement those. Everything is taken care in the backend, and once it is deployed, we will get a URL, and this URL basically will be with HTTPS, a secure URL, and if it is a REST API, this URL you can use in all your front-end code. Wherever you are sending a request to the server, you will be provided this particular URL. So after deployment, you will get an URL, and that URL will be using, if it's a normal web application, it will make sure that all your web application is working properly. If it is an REST API, then you will be using this base URL plus all the request or all the attribute URL through which you will be sending the data, and you will be fetching the response. So this is all about Google Cloud App Engine. In case of AWS, it is Elastic Beanstalk. In case of Azure, it is App Service. So more or less, these are all platform as a service, serverless concept. Load balancer is all automatically there. No need of setting up any auto scale up, scale down. Everything is done in the backend. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.